So recently we were trying to figure out which item we sold more of at the school dance. Did we sell more cookies or did we sell more brownies? The trick was that the cookies were sold in pairs of 2, where the brownies were just sold singly. And so as a result, you were asking, well, how do we figure that out? Today we are going to look at a word problem that is going to help us apply our knowledge to this real world situation, the school dance. Today we are going to apply and extend previous understandings of arithmetic to algebraic equations, and we are going to reason about and solve an equation with variables or unknowns. Kayla, would you read our problem today?
There are 18 animals in a pet store. Some are birds and some are dogs. There are 50 legs in all. How many birds and how many dogs are there?
Okay, so we are going to look in this problem at what we know to figure out what we don't know. Who can tell me something we know in this problem? Brindley?
There are 18 animals in the pet store.
Okay, that we have 18 animals total. Good. Okay, what else do we know? Weston?
There are 50 legs in all.
50 legs all together. Good. Okay, what else do we know? There's some more information here. Brindley?
Birds have 2 legs.
Okay, how many animals do we have? Kayla?
2.
2 kinds, okay? And Brindley, you just mentioned that birds have 2 legs. That is significant. Okay, so what is the difference here with the other one?
Dogs have 4.
Dogs have 4. Good. Okay, so we can use this information that we do know to solve for what we don't. I want you to think for a minute how you might go about solving this equation. And I have some tools up here to choose from. If you would come up and get something that you would like to use to solve this equation, you may come up now. Okay, and you may begin. So what are you drawing here?
I'm drawing each separate dogs that have 4 legs, and then I'll draw all the birds that have 2 legs and count them up to see if I get the final answer.
Good. Hey, what are you doing here?
So these represent the dogs. They're all blue, and then these represent all the legs because they
Good.
have 4 legs.
Okay. And what are you doing here, Kayla?
These are the dogs because they have 4 legs, and these are the birds because they're gonna have 2 legs.
Okay. And what do the black ones represent?
Those represent the boards, and they're each gonna have 2 legs. Represent the birds, and they're each gonna have 2 legs.
Okay. So what are you doing here, Weston?
I'm adding up all the legs for the birds.
Okay, so are you making a guess at this point?
Yeah.
Okay,
2, 8, 8.
okay, so are you having to adjust your original thinking a little bit?
Not yet.
Okay, not yet, you haven't added yet, okay. What are you thinking, Brinley?
Right now I'm just adding all of them up.
Okay, adding
see
up all
if-
the legs, wonderful. Okay, Weston, would you come up and share your thinking with the class?
Yes. Okay, so in the beginning, I thought that there would be more birds than dogs, and so I put 12 birds and 7 dogs, and that gave me a total of 52, and I saw that there are 50 legs in all, so I knew that the bird only had 2 legs, so I had to subtract the 2 from this to get 50, and that's how I got my answer.
And what was your answer?
50 legs.
How many dogs and how many birds
7
did that
dogs and 11 birds.
Thank you, Weston.